Hi, I'm Sathi. And before we start, let me ask you one question. How many years have you been learning English? 5 years? 10 years? Maybe even more. Now let me ask you one last question. Can you speak English confidently? If your answer is no, then this series is for you. Let me tell you something.
Imagine two students. Both studied English for 10 years. Both know grammar. Both passed exam, but today one speaks English confidently. The other says, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Why? Because English is not only a subject, English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. I know how it feels when someone speaks English in front of us, but we don't have the confidence to reply.
Sometimes we stay silent.
Sometimes we think maybe English is not for me. No, that's not true. The problem is not you. The problem is the learning method. Most people learn English randomly. Today tense, tomorrow vocabulary, next day spoken English, then idioms, then another random video. This is exactly why people stay confused. Imagine building a house. Can you build the roof first? No. First foundation, then walls, then roof. English works exactly the same ways. That is why I created this series. Not random lessons, not confusing grammar. A complete roadmap from zero to confident English. So what makes this series different? Let me show you. Imagine you want to learn cycling. Can you learn it just by watching YouTube videos? No, you have to get on the bicycle. You have to lose balance and you have to make mistake. And then one day you write confidently. English is exactly the same. Watching English videos won't change your English. Using English will. That's why this is not just a video series. This is a daily English practice. Every lesson will end with a small practice. Sometime you will speak, sometime you will listen, sometime you will write, and sometime you will read. Because real English is not only grammar. Real English is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These four skills works together. Now let me show you what we are going to learn. Phrase 1. Foundation. Every strong building starts with a strong foundation. English is exactly the same. In phrase 1, we will build that foundation. We will learn the English alphabet, letter sounds, vowels and consonants, pronunciation, phonics, syllable, stress and much more. Once your foundation becomes strong, learning English will become much easier. After building our foundation, we will start building our vocabulary. We will learn word formation, daily use vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, phrasal verbs, idioms, and many useful expressions that native speakers use every day. Phrase 3. Parts of speech. We will master all the parts of speech. Phrase 4. Sentence building. We will cover subjects, verb, object, sentence pattern, word order, simple, compound and complex sentences so that you can express your thoughts clearly. Then comes grammar, not the boring grammar from school books, but practical grammar that you can use while speaking. Now phrase 7, real life English. Finally, we will take English into real life. You will learn how to communicate at home, school, college, airport, restaurant, cafes, hotels, hospital, banks, offices, during interviews, while traveling, and in many everyday situations.
My goal is not to just to teach you English, but to help you use English confidently in your daily life. In phrase 8, we will improve your listening skills through daily practice, shadowing, native speakers, accent training, and connected speech because better listening leads to better speaking. Then we will build our real fluency. You will think in English, stop translating, speak with confidence, practice every day, and improve your pronunciation. That's how real fluency is built. And finally, we will master advanced English from vocabulary and grammar to business, interviews, presentation, and much more.
By the end of this journey, you won't just know English, you will know how to use English confidently. Now let's see something interesting. I have a small challenge for you. Don't answer immediately, think first, okay?
How do you say ওখানে যাও? ওখানে যাও. যাও, go, ওখানে there. Go there. See, you knew it. Okay, how do you say এখানে বসো? বসো, sit, এখানে here. Sit here. Easy, right? Well, আমার কথা শোনো. শোনো, listen. আমার কথা তুমি. Listen to me.
See, you already know much more English than you think. So the problem is not that you don't know English. The problem is you don't know how to connect those words into our natural sentences. And that's exactly what we are going to learn together. Step by step, day by day, until English feels natural. Before we finish, I want to tell you one last thing. English is not difficult. The difficult part is staying consistent. Most people start with excitement, but after 3 days they stop. After 1 week they forget, and after 1 month they say English is not for me. But what if you don't quit this time? Give yourself 20 minutes every day. One lesson, one notebook, one pen, and one promise that I will never stop practicing. You don't have to be perfect. You have to be consistent. From today, no excuse, no fear, no overthinking. Just one lesson, one practice, one step forward every day. If you stay with this series, practice honestly and never give up, you will build a stronger English and much more confident than if you only watch random videos. Now it's your turn. Write in the comment I'm ready, and if you don't want to miss day 2, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in day 2. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Bye.